You see that closet full of unused clothes? Well, they're not just clothes, they are a business opportunity waiting to be explored. If you have a passion for fashion and the environment, then starting a thrift store might be the perfect path for you. Thrifting is not just about selling secondhand clothes. It's a mission to promote sustainability and help the community find affordable, stylish clothing. Before we go over how to start a thrift store, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Did you know, according to a recent report, the secondhand apparel market is projected to double in the next 5 years, and about 33% of consumers bought secondhand items last year. That's huge potential. But how do you start a thrift store? You might think it's complicated, but we are here to guide you through the process. Step 1. Create a business plan. Map out everything about your store. Who's your target market? What kind of clothes will you sell? How will you price items? Research the local competition. Identify your unique selling point and plan for costs and revenue. Step 2. Location. The perfect spot is key. Look for high foot traffic areas. Check out local zoning laws to ensure you can operate a store at your desired location. Step 3. Source inventory. This can be fun. Start by collecting clothes from your own closet, ask friends and family, and even host clothing drives. Make sure you thoroughly inspect and clean each item before selling. Next comes the part most entrepreneurs find daunting: registering your business and sorting out licenses. But hey, that's why we are here. By the way, welcome to legalregistration.com. Our organization exists to take care of all your business paperwork. We handle everything from registering your business to applying for a resale license, to sorting out your tax obligations. All you need to do is tell us about your business, and we handle the rest. Once all the legal work is done, you're ready to open your doors. You can focus on the fun stuff like merchandising, marketing, and creating a welcoming space for your customers. And there you have it. Starting a thrift store isn't as difficult as you may think. And with the growth of sustainable and budget-conscious fashion, there's never been a better time to join the industry. So ready to start your thrift store? Visit us at legalregistration.com. We are here to make your dream a reality, handling all the complicated legal aspects of starting a business so you can focus on what matters, making your thrift store a success. You are also welcome to call our experts anytime at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of starting a thrift store? Do they seem simple or complicated? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.